Okay, now para number 5th. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him. Take up service, I have already told you. What does it mean? It means here to become a servant. And he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily, means promptly, very without any delay, very fast. He agreed and said, "Let us go and find a herd. Herd, all of you, group of cattle, herd of cows. I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. Fill means a stomach. Stomach. Okay. Now, on realizing that, he realized that the bear was stronger than the wolf because the wolf was scared of the bear. That is why he realized that the dog realized that the bear was stronger than the wolf. The dog changed his mind. He left the wolf and turned to the bear. Now turned to the bear. He asked him to be his master. The bear agreed. The bear agreed very fast. Okay, too easily. He suggested him to search for a herd of cows. He suggested him to searching a herd of cows so that he could kill a cow to fill their stomachs. Okay, now they walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were mooing. Mooing means a usual sound made by cows, loudly and running in a panic. Panic means terror, fear, in all directions. Directions here means a way, a particular way, leading way. Okay. Now, after walking some distance, they noticed. They means the dog and the bear. They noticed a group of cows, but as they tried to approach them, they were stopped by a horrible noise, very terrible noise made by the cows. They were mooing. They were mooing aloud and were running here and there because of fear, here and there running. The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he too ran hastily in a hurried manner, very fast, deeper into the forest. They also ran. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. In very fear, he said, "Why I have to come here? It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion, who is he?" Dog said. "The lion? Who is he? Don't you know? He is the stronger beast on earth." "Well, then I will say goodbye to you. Bear, I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." Now, the bear looked from behind a tree and started running quickly into the dense forest. He told the dog that this part of the forest was ruled by the lion. He was the stronger and the most powerful animal on this earth. Now the dog surprised, and he realized also the lion is more stronger than the bear. Okay, now he realized. Then the dog was surprised to hear this, and he immediately left the bear. Okay, next part in next video.